Why do 60% of people yawn when they see someone else yawning? Is it magic or is there science behind it? Let's find out. Turns out, yawning is surprisingly contagious. Scientists think it's all about empathy and social bonding. When you see someone yawn, your brain's mirror neurons fire up. They're like tiny copycats in your head, making you mimic what you see. It's a way humans, and even some animals, connect with each other. And get this, the closer you are to someone, the more likely you are to catch their yawn. It's not about being tired. It's literally your brain syncing up with others. So, did you yawn while watching this? Tell us your best yawning story in the comments below, and let's see how contagious we can make this video.